In a clean container, mix 3 parts Star Penn Products Tile and Plaster Repair with 1 part water. Then mix to a peanut butter-like consistency. For tile repair, dampen area, apply mixture to back of tile, set in place, fill grout joints, wipe clean with a damp sponge. To set tile, dampen area first, apply Star Penn Products Tile and Plaster Repair, use a notched trowel to spread material evenly. Set tiles in place. Fill grout joints using a rubber float. Wipe clean with a damp sponge. For plaster repair, fill area to be repaired, trowel level with surrounding plaster, use a damp sponge to clean off excess material. Allow to cure. We at Star Penn Products thank you for purchasing and using tile and plaster repair.